Okay, so that's where we have three of us here at the farm show. We have myself, kind of the voice of BENCO. We have Steve, the marketing manager. We also have Johannes, and Johannes, his specialty, he's our technical agent. He does not like cameras very well, but here's what's going to happen. Some of the videos we do have Johannes in, and he likes cameras. There we go. We got Johannes on camera. Come see us. Come check us out at a farm show near you. Hey, yo, where are you going?
You're gonna hide behind the flag?
Here we go. No, are we ready? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Wonderful. Wonderful. Here we are at the Sioux Falls Farm Show. The BENCO Travel and Fun Show is here. And so we have myself, the voice of BENCO. We have Yo, the technical expert. We have Steve behind the camera. Here we are at the farm show. 3 exciting days. And Johannes, it's been nothing but a pleasure. What do you have to say to everyone? Thank you very much, Johannes. There you are. If you have questions, they got nothing. That's what it is. Hey, let's talk about our OnSite. OnSite is something that we have developed here at BENCO. We manufacture the OnSite in our factory, T, South Dakota. OnSite is designed for liquid fertilizer monitoring, or OnSite FMS flow monitoring system. And so simply, your liquid will come up, go through a flow meter. Flow meter turns it into data that goes to the module that's on the back of the board. And that information from the module is then either Bluetooth or cabled up to an Android that's inside the cab for you. Simply as that. It's very simple to understand. It's very simple to install, and it simply works. That's one thing about it. We have over 1,000 systems in use. We have dealers in multiple locations around the country. So that's what it is. Part of the Sioux Falls Farm Show. We have an example of our OnSite with our, if you have a wet boom, this is kind of a junior version of what a wet boom would consist of. That if you happen to have liquid on your planter, like a case or something like that, that's got stainless steel going, how the cabling works, back to our module, and this is what it's going to be at the row unit. The check valve and our flow meter is on one bracket. That's something that we have designed for ourselves. So this is what a whole wet boom looks like. And then over here is going to be our wet boom. These are the module that go on the back of the board. This is an example of the flow meter. This is what the inside of a flow meter looks like. Drop that out. Just got a little wheel on it. Fantastic little thing. Absolutely no problems with this. A lot of people wonder about that, but absolutely not a problem with our system. Cabling comes up. This is an example of our Bluetooth, what we have as well. We also have our OnSite display here. We have a 20-channel display here at the Sioux Falls Farm Show. We're excited about. Kind of explains what happens during the OnSite as you're planting. Your starter will come up, go through the flow meter, turned into data. Data goes to the module. That's kind of the sweet sauce or the special sauce that we have. From the module, it goes to the Android, and it's going to be reflected right in the cab. That's what it is. Like for instance, if you would have something, another visual, like a red ball system that you maybe are not that sure about what's happening on real time, if you would happen to have a blockage, this is in real time, what happens? Or even worse than that, what if you have just a small blockage? One thing to notice that if you do have a blockage, your rate controller, your pump is still going to be still pumping the same amount. It's just going to, all the other extra rows are going to get more. So we always tell people, wouldn't it be nice to know in real time what's going on? So know your flow in every row. It's nicer to know now when you're planting instead of when maybe the 1st of July comes around. It's like, oh, I hope I didn't do that all day. Oh, that's what it is. But that's what the OnSite is. And check us out at the Sioux Falls Farm Show, or maybe a farm show near you.